Number 1, we've got to find the points of intersection of the line y equals x minus 3, and then this circle x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equal 20. Now, if they're intersecting, then the y's have to equal each other. So that means I can replace this y in the circle equation with x minus 3 because they have to be equal to each other. So now I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to say x minus 3 squared plus y, not y, x minus 3 plus 2 squared equal 20. And now all I'm going to do is expand this. It's going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then, whoops, I should have put this together. Let's see, this is going to be x minus 1. And then that's going to be squared, and it's going to still equal 20. And see, now I'm going to copy this over again. All right, but anyway, when I get to the x minus 1, that's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1, and that's going to equal 20. And now I see about x squares. I'm going to add those together. It gives me 2x squares, and I got negative 6x and negative 2x. That's negative 8x. And then 9 and 1, that gives me 10. So that's plus 10 equal 20. It's a quadratic, so I need to make it equal to 0. So it's going to be 2x squared minus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. I notice immediately that they all divide by 2. So I factor out the 2, giving me x squared minus 4x minus 5. This is going to be very easily factorable. It's going to be x minus 5 times x plus 1. And then that means that my x is going to have to equal 5. My x is going to have to equal negative 1. I find out the y parts of the coordinates by replacing the x with what I just figured out. And so that's going to be my y is going to equal 5 minus 3 or 2. And then my other y is going to be negative 1 minus 3 or negative 4. And those are both my points. I need to make sure it's clear which x and y go together. And I'm done. I find the points where those guys intersect. All right.